Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best convertible sofa bed chair is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can own, seamlessly transforming from a comfortable sofa or armchair into a cozy bed, making it an ideal solution for small apartments, guest rooms, or any space where maximizing functionality is key. Imagine effortlessly hosting overnight guests without sacrificing precious living area, or simply enjoying the dual benefit of stylish seating and a convenient sleeping arrangement all in one compact design. This innovative furniture piece is designed to adapt to your changing needs, offering a practical and elegant way to enhance your home's utility and comfort. Number 5. BIGSYY 4-in-1 Folding Ottoman Sofa Bed. Introducing the BIGSYY 4-in-1 Sofa Bed. It's more than just a sofa, it's a versatile solution designed to adapt to your needs, perfect for any modern living space. Effortlessly switch between a comfortable chair, a relaxing lounger, a convenient ottoman, and a cozy single bed. This piece is ideal for maximizing space in apartments, dorms, or home offices. Experience lasting comfort with its robust steel frame and high-density sponge cushions. Wrapped in premium linen fabric, it ensures a comfortable seating and sleeping experience for years to come. Customize your comfort with a backrest featuring 6 adjustable positions. The soft imitation flannel and included pillow provide excellent support, keeping you comfortable throughout the day. Forget complicated assembly. This sofa bed arrives ready to use straight out of the box, saving you valuable time and effort. Its clean lines, armless profile, and classic dark gray color blend seamlessly with modern decor. This functional piece adds a touch of style to any room. What we like? This sofa bed offers incredible versatility, transforming from a chair to an ottoman, lounger, and even a bed. If you need a space-saving solution for a dorm or apartment, this is a fantastic choice. Its modern aesthetic also blends seamlessly with contemporary decor. What people say. This sofa bed is incredibly versatile, easily transforming from a comfortable sofa to a spacious bed. The design is modern and sleek, fitting perfectly into my small apartment. Assembly was surprisingly simple, taking less than 30 minutes with clear instructions. Number 4. TYBOATLE 5-in-1 Convertible Sleep Chair Bed. Discover ultimate comfort and functionality with this 5-in-1 convertible chair. It easily transforms to suit your needs, from a cozy armchair to a comfortable bed. Experience a truly comfortable sit or sleep with its high-quality sponge filling and durable, anti-pilling linen fabric. The machine-washable cover ensures easy maintenance. Its compact and minimalist design makes it ideal for apartments, living rooms, or offices. Enjoy a dedicated relaxation space without sacrificing room. This piece features detachable armrests and legs for easy storage. Plus, a convenient side pocket keeps your essentials within reach. Built with a sturdy metal frame supporting up to 450 pounds, it ensures long-lasting durability. Non-slip feet protect your floors. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just minutes with the included tools and manual. We're here to help if you encounter any issues. What we like? This sleep chair bed is designed for ultimate comfort and practicality, featuring multiple conversion modes and convenient side pockets. If you're looking for a cozy spot to relax after a long day, or need an extra sleeping option for guests, this is ideal. The machine-washable cover makes upkeep a breeze. What people say. The sofa bed is very easy to convert from a sofa to a bed. It is comfortable to sit on as a sofa and sleep on as a bed. The design is modern and fits well with my living room decor. Number 3. Aiho 3-in-1 Sleeper Chair Bed. This versatile piece easily transforms from a stylish accent chair to a comfortable chaise lounge or a convenient sofa bed. It adapts to your needs throughout the day. Find your perfect relaxation angle with a backrest that adjusts to 6 different positions. Enjoy personalized comfort whether you're sitting or lounging. Sink into plush comfort with premium foam filling in the seat and backrest. It provides soft support for reading or resting without sinking. Crafted with a durable linen fabric cover, this piece is built to last. It's designed to provide long-lasting comfort and style for your home. Perfect for apartments or any room where space is a premium. It easily converts between a sofa chair and a guest bed, maximizing your living area. Setting it up is a breeze. With included instructions and tools, you can attach the solid wood legs by hand in just a few minutes. Your satisfaction is our priority. Purchase with peace of mind, knowing we're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This sleeper chair offers a simple yet effective 3-in-1 conversion, perfect for adapting to your needs. If you appreciate a comfortable seating experience with durable construction and minimal assembly, this is a great option. It's particularly well suited for apartments or bedrooms where space is a consideration. What people say. This sofa bed is incredibly versatile, easily transforming from a comfortable sofa to a spacious bed in just a few simple steps. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into my small apartment without looking bulky. The fabric is also surprisingly durable and easy to clean. I love the hidden storage compartment under the seat, perfect for stowing away blankets and pillows. It's a great space-saving solution. Number 2. MAXYOYO Folding Sofa Bed. Introducing the MAXYOYO Folding Sofa Bed, a versatile piece designed to adapt to your lifestyle. Effortlessly switch between a comfortable sofa, a relaxing lounger, or an extra bed. This innovative sofa bed features a detachable design with zipper connections. Easily transform it into 2 independent floor cushions or use it as a couch or unfolding bed, perfect for any occasion. Experience superior support and lasting comfort with its high-density foam filling. The plush backrest ensures a soft, resilient feel that won't collapse, providing a cozy retreat. Crafted with a soft, breathable corded fabric, this sofa bed offers a delicate touch and excellent wear resistance. Its tufted design adds a touch of retro elegance, enhancing your home's warmth. This multifunctional piece is perfect for your living room, game room, or for hosting guests. Its adaptability makes your home life more vibrant, catering to all your leisure and entertainment needs. Simply unpack in a well-ventilated area and allow 48 hours for full expansion. Enjoy its comfortable size and transform your space without hassle. What we like. This folding sofa bed stands out with its unique detachable design, allowing for flexible configurations. If you enjoy a sofa with a soft, textured feel and appreciate versatile use for various gatherings or naps, this is a compelling option. Its high-density foam ensures lasting comfort and support. What people say. This sofa bed is very comfortable to sit on and sleep on. It is easy to convert from a sofa to a bed and back again. The size is perfect for small spaces. Number 1. Hilero 4-in-1 Folding Sofa Bed. Introducing the Hilero 4-in-1 Folding Sofa Bed. This versatile piece effortlessly transforms to suit your needs, serving as a floor sofa, a convertible bed, a fold-out chair, or a futon mattress. It's perfect for relaxing, reading, or watching TV. Designed for modern living, it comes with a convenient storage bag, making it easy to carry and store. This makes it an ideal portable bed for guests, easily fitting into a car for camping or travel. Easily move and adjust it with 2 built-in handles. Plus, 2 side pockets keep your essentials like phones or books within reach while you relax. Enjoy extra comfort with the included pillow. The dark gray corduroy cover is machine washable, featuring a hidden zipper for a clean look and easy maintenance. Its multifunctional design makes it suitable for various settings, including guest rooms, living rooms, apartments, dorms, and even for travel. Crafted from high-density foam, this sofa bed requires no assembly. It arrives compressed and will fully expand within 48 hours, ready for immediate use. What we like. This convertible sleeper chair offers 4 distinct modes and comes with a convenient storage bag, making it incredibly portable. If you need a flexible sleeping solution for guests, camping, or travel, this is an excellent choice. The included pillow and washable cover add to its user-friendly appeal. What people say. The sofa bed is very easy to convert from a sofa to a bed and vice versa. The mattress is surprisingly comfortable for a sofa bed, providing good support for sleeping. The compact design makes it a great space-saving solution for small apartments or guest rooms. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.